if you know these things I'm about to share with you, I'm sure that you will start making money by any means online right now. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can start making money online. There are different ways and there are multiple ways, but in this video, I'm going to show you just three ways. Then next video, I'm going to show you another 3 ways. So that's why you have to subscribe. So subscribe to this channel or follow me for more so that you won't miss the next video. Now, ways in which you can make money online. There are different ways, just as I've said before. Number 1 is through content creation. Now, what is content? Content is whatever you can see, whatever you can hear, whatever you can read. So that is what is main content. And when you upload it online, people will be able to see it. Either they see it, or they hear it, or they read it. So the sound, video, the letters, they are content. Now, what means by content creation is that you creating something that people can see, people can read, people can hear. So that is content creation. As you start creating content online, so you start gaining attention, and from attention, and when you do it consistently over time, people will begin to trust you, and from there opportunity begins to come. So that is number 1. Then the next one is known as affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? It simply means, in a simple word, it means selling another person's products while getting your own profit from it. So you'll be the one to market it, or you tell person, or you get a product from a producer or a manufacturer, present it to the customer, and then when that customer buy the products, then you have your own commission, you have your own gain from it. So it's a gain to everyone. That is affiliate marketing. And when you know how to sell very well, you will either you are the one that have the product, or it's another person's product. You know how to benefit from this. Then number 3 that I'm going to mention here is called freelancing. Freelancing means you having the skills and bringing your skill, showing your skill, just like graphic design, video editing, copywriting, and so on and so forth. So people can hire you and pay you for that skills when you show forth your skill. For instance, maybe somebody wants to do video editing job, you want to edit video, that you can say, can you help us with this video editing, or for this particular program that I want to do? And as you help them, they pay you. That is what is called freelancing. So I know that you've already gotten a value from this video. I want you to mention one thing that you gain in this video, and also share it to others so that they can benefit from this video. My name is Prince Israel. See you next time. Don't forget to follow me for more. Thank you.